Alright, hello everyone. This is an edger that the neighbors were getting rid of. And trying to figure some stuff out. Probably should have drained out the gas before I put more gas in it, but I did get it to run last night. I sprayed some carburetor cleaner in it and pulled it over, and it did run for a few seconds, and then it, of course, shut off. So, another thing I just found out is, I don't know why I didn't see this last night, the gas valve was off, so my bad. Anyway, one of the things I noticed is that the pull start only had 2 screws holding it on, and it was also the wrong way. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to go about here, because that's the way you'd pull it, and it was on like this. So I'm gonna fix that real quick and be right back. Alright, I found 2 screws that seem to match closely enough, so I'll go ahead and pop them in. Alright, now it's on and not going anywhere for the time being, at least. See if it'll start at all. Well, as you see, it was working. This link just broke. I wonder if that's what that wire was around that. No worries though, I'm sure I can find a cotter pin or something. Need a little kick to get started. Also, the filter cap keeps falling off. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. And yeah, the gas in there was definitely not super great, so I'm sure that's causing it to run kind of funny like that. But I'm gonna go look for a cotter pin now to fix it. Well, I couldn't find a cotter pin, but this will work just fine. Well, as you can see, that was a relatively easy fix. Well, if I can even call it a fix. Guess we have an edger now. We'll be using it for edging and trimming, I guess. Looks like the carburetor leaks a little bit of gas out of the bulb there, but it doesn't look like it's a whole lot. Well, now the filter cap is actually kind of staying on there, but I might have to figure out a way to fix that. But anyways, thanks for watching.